What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I just wanted to show you guys my collection of Indian head pennies. And this isn't my entire collection, but these are some of the ones that I enjoy the most in my collection. So yeah, let's just start on this side and we'll work our way across. Check this out, guys. It's a 1902 off-center Indian head, and I'm going to speak more about this one in a little bit. And then I have a 1860 Indian head penny. I have a 1908 with some really cool toning. And then I have an 1890. So yeah, guys, these are some of my Indian head pennies in my collection. Now more on this 1902. Okay, guys, so if you look closely, you can see that this is an off-center Indian head. And these are actually selling for some really good money, graded and in raw form. And so I want to show you what these are currently going for. I know that says $50 on the tag. I did not get this for $50. I paid much less for it. But these are actually selling for really, really good money. Check it out, guys. All right, guys, check this out. This 1864 was 25% off center and sold for over $1,000. And then we have this one that is a 1900 and sold for $837 after 28 bids. And those two were graded, but check this one out. This one is in raw form and still sold for almost $300. Okay, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check your coins. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.